Now, children, our next topic is what is health? Health is directly associated with physical well being, remaining free from illness, and thereby not having to visit a doctor. What is health? Health is directly associated with physical well being, remaining free from illness, and thereby not having to visit a doctor. Diseases or illness or an accident is not only the things that could affect our body. We could be prone to illness if we do not get enough food. Cramped and unventilated living condition may also be a reason to fall ill. Mental and physical strain can also cause a grave illness. So we should all strive to remain in a good health by practicing the cleanly habits. Children, our next point is healthcare in India. Healthcare conditions in India are very poor. Let us discuss some facts. In spite of India being one of the poorer countries of the world, it has the largest number of hospitals and medical colleges in the world. India produces almost 15,000 doctors every year. People in India have ill health because the majority of population living in rural area does not have access to a good hospital and well qualified doctor. Most medical practitioners want to practice in big cities where they have better and bigger opportunities. Villagers often have to travel miles before they can get a medical treatment. A report says that there were 11,174 hospitals functioning in 1991. The number grew to 18,218 in 2000 and has increased an even larger number since then. Though India has a large number of hospitals, as many as have lakhs people die of tuberculosis every year. This number has not changed since independence. Almost 2 million cases of malaria are registered every year. There is no sign of decrease in the number. India is the fourth largest producer of medicine in the world. A large quantity of medicine is even exported to different parts of the world. It is said that we are not able to provide clean drinking water to all. It may be noted that 21% of all communicable diseases like diarrhea, typhoid, hepatitis, etc. are waterborne diseases and spread due to contaminations of water. India gets large number of medical tourists every year. Many patients from Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and other Asian countries visited India for treatment in hospitals that offer world-class facilities at a lower cost. Many patients travel to India from neighboring countries for medical treatment. This is called a medical tourism. Looking at the fact that there are so many hospitals and phenomenal medical advantages, it is not true that the government is not able to provide good health service. If people from foreign land can get themselves treated in the best of hospitals here, why can't the government make available the same facility to its own people cheaply? Children, I think it is very clear to you that what is health and the healthcare facilities in India. Now our next topic is children, public and private healthcare service. So we will continue with this topic tomorrow. So have a nice day and blessed day. Thank you children.